We're going to show you how to DIY the perfectly distressed denim jacket. What does DIY mean in this case?
Distress it yourself, maybe?
Distress it yourself. I guess that makes sense. Here are some tools you'll need to distress your jacket. Tweezers, some scissors, a box cutter, sandpaper, small clips or clothespins, a lint roller, chalk, and pieces of foam core or cardboard. Oh, and don't forget the coffee. Step 1. Getting inspired. Find styles that you like by looking at examples online. This will give you an understanding of what you like and how you can apply these styles to your own jacket. Step 2. Make your mark. Keeping the styles you like in mind, mark off the different areas of your jacket that you want to distress with your chalk. Try to imagine areas of your jacket that might get distressed naturally over time, like the shoulders, the collar, sleeve cuffs, and seam ends. Focusing on these areas will help to create a more naturally distressed look. Step 3. Denim in distress. Now that you know what styles you like and where to cut, it's time to get started. Here are 3 methods you can use. Method 1. What should we call these?
Just make something up, I guess.
Let's call method 1 cut, sand, and tweeze. Or how about making holes?
Making holes.
Put your foam core or cardboard under the area you're going to work on, so you don't cut through both sides of the jacket. Use your box cutter and cut horizontal lines about ½ an inch apart from each other. It doesn't have to be perfect. We found cutting lines in a diamond shape, with smaller lines at the top and the bottom, and larger lines in the middle, create a more natural look. Use your sandpaper to start irritating the lines you just cut. Try to use a coarse grit sandpaper to rub in the same direction as the cuts until you see a blue fray appearing. These are the blue threads separating from the white threads. Now, using your tweezers, carefully remove the blue fray away from the white threads, being careful not to tear the white threads. The white threads are what gives the hole a more realistic look. Method 2. Pinch, snip, sand, or I guess natural distress. This is good for areas of the jacket that have 2 sides sewn together, like the bottom, the collar, or sleeve cuffs. Pinch the sides and separate them so you don't cut the back part. Use your clips or clothespins to keep the sides separated. Then take your scissors and make small snips along the pinched part. You can use your fingernail to distress these cuts a bit. Use your sandpaper again to distress more. This should create a worn look that you desire for your jacket. Just kidding, don't use that, Kenny. Do this until you get the desired worn look. Method 3. Edge technique. Use your scissors again to cut small pieces off the very ends of your jacket, horizontal to the seam. Be careful not to cut the stitching that holds the end pieces together. Use your trusty sandpaper again to distress these cuts even more. Things are starting to really look good now. Now you can repeat the 3 methods all over your jacket in the areas you've marked off. Use the method you think works best in each area. This might take a while, so throw on some Netflix and take your time. Quick tip, going over the whole jacket with sandpaper after all the distressing can help give an overall worn feel. Step 4. Wash and dry. Wash your jacket with cold water to help keep the white threads intact. When it's done, throw it in the dryer. A regular tumble dry cycle will work just fine. Step 5. Try it on. Check it out. See how you feel in it. It all comes down to how you feel. You can always distress more if you think you need to until your jacket is just right. We think ours turned out pretty good. What do you think? Step 6. Tie the look together. We recommend you tie your denim jacket outfit together by wearing it with one of our Allen brand shirts and adding one of our many lapel pins. There you go! You did a thing! Congrats! And enjoy your distressed denim jacket. Ties.com, the site that ties your outfit together.